Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today, I guess it's officially official. We mentioned it yesterday, but the extended parking lot sale is going on. Extended parking lot sale. We're going to go over all the deals that are over 10 bucks, over 30% savings or 30% and above. Just the best deals that are going on at the parking lot sale, the extended parking lot sale, just in case you missed it, just in case you need a refresher, or just in case you're new to the channel. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's jump in. Hype. Check out the merch store. There's some great HARBRO hats and stickers. Of course, everybody knows, or I'm assuming if you're a HARBRO, 30% off all hammers is a must if you haven't taken advantage. Maddox 35% off. HARBRO Pro tip 30% off all automotive jump starters, but our new instant savings already $12 off the 4 amp. So don't miss it. Go try it. Report back to the HARBROs tomorrow if you're getting this for an extra 30% off, which would be that's 25 bucks. So 25, well 35 at 30% off. Get it for 24.50. 24.50 from 40 bucks original price. It's almost 40% off. Almost 40% off. And there was some good feedback from the HARBROs. Of course, 30% off all welders and then 40% off all paint. But let's go. Best deals. And there's some slightly under 10 bucks, but this 33% off and it's bronze. So this is an honorable mention. The 500 lumen professional swivel headlamp, $996, 33% off. Killer deal. Then we have the Pittsburgh, also just under 10 bucks, $989. But it's 41% off. So you're saving $7, which is nuts. So that's in their honorable mention. These were free at one point, but it's okay. $996, 47% off if you need some step drill bits from Warrior. And then, of course, everybody needs some white balls. Well, in this case, Blue Shop towels, 200 pack, $998, 31% off. Had to mention it. Great deal. And then this one, also super HARBRO positive feedback. The 1500 watt Warrior 11 amp dual temperature Hika, $998. It is under 10 bucks, but 50% off. So you're saving $10, more than 10 bucks, which is nuts. Then this is honorable mention, only 26% off, and you can definitely cop this during the 30% off of $20 and under. But still, great deal on the Quinn precision screwdriver set, 12 piece. Compared to Wera, I mean, I doubt it's Wera, but those of you who have it, how has it been for you? $10.98 is a great deal. 26% off. A Pittsburgh Pro Alert half-inch drive, 25-inch breaker bar for $12. Lifetime warranty, 33% off. Great deal. For the Tarp Bros, the 11-foot by 19-foot heavy-duty reflective all-purpose 9mm tarp, 15 bucks, 34% off. And then the Vulcan E71 TGS flux core welding wire, 2-pound roll, 15 bucks, 40% off. Braun again. Braun does get up to 40% throughout the year. Will they do it again? I'm not sure, but they historically do get up to 40% off all Braun lights. But here we're at the 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable LED hanging shop lights. I know a lot of the HARBROs have these. 16 bucks. 30% off is still a really good deal. And Merlin, this is a brand new tool, so rare to see this deep of a discount. Heavy duty air compressor accessory kit, 20 piece, $60. 27 bucks, 40% off. Excellent. More Merlin digital tire inflator, 17 bucks. Normally 30 bucks, 43% off. Great deal on a digital tire inflator. You can do a lot worse than Merlin. $17 is absolutely nuts. Normally 30 bucks. Great deal. Quinn Alert. Quinn Alert 3/8-inch drive bolt extractor. If you don't have a set of bolt extractors, this is a solid choice. SAE or metric compared to Irwin, 20 bucks. It's Quinn. It's 33% off. Excellent deal. Apache. Again, one of those that gets up to 40% off throughout the year. I think we will see it eventually later this year, but 33% off. Cannot be mad. 20 bucks. Normally 30 bucks compared to Pelican, of course. And the Kenway 12-volt magnetic LED towing light kit for $23. If you have one of the Harbor Freight trailers, 30% off is a great deal. Again, brand new Pittsburgh 2-inch by 20-foot, 4,000-pound capacity web lifting sling for 25 bucks, 34% off. Excellent discount. And then batteries. Batteries by themselves are always great deals. Here's the Bauer 20-volt, 3-amp-hour high-capacity lithium-ion battery for 30 bucks, 50% off. Normally $60, but 50% off right now. Next, the Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. We did a price check on these. They used to go down to $25 bucks. Haven't seen that in a while. 35 might be the new low, but still 30% off is pretty solid. And we have an icon alert. We've seen this 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic compact floodlight for 35 bucks. It is magnetic, only 55 bucks. 36% off. Now, this was recently 40% off, I believe, but 36% off. Tomato. It's excellent deal. Next, Avanti handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer. These will go up to 40% off, but here we have it at 45% off. Now, these get discounted heavily often, but at 38 bucks, normally $69.99. Excellent deal. With a Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity, 72-inch by 9-inch steel loading ramp, set of two, 58 bucks, 31% off. In the Bauer 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute, portable electric pressure washer, $69.99. Nice. Normally 100 bucks, $30 off. This has been on sale, but still super great deal. Hercules Alert 20-volt, 5-amp-hour battery and charger starting kit. So it does have the charger, unfortunately, but it is $40 off, exactly 30% at 80 bucks. An Apache again, 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case, long. That's what she said. 95 bucks, normally 150, $55 off. Honorable mention, 98 bucks, US General, 30-inch one-drawer service cart. Who picked this up already? And who's looking to still maybe pick it up? Compared to Snap-on, 32 bucks, solid deal. A US General storage days really only go up to 25% across the board, and $32 off of 130 is actually, it's a little bit less than the 25%, but right there, if you round up. Honorable mention, Hallmaster 2-ball adjustable aluminum hitch, 6 inches, rise and drop. Sounds very familiar. $100, normally $140, $40 off. Honorable mention, about 29% off. Pittsburgh 12-volt diesel transfer pump, $100, $40 off. Same honorable mention, about 29% off. Then, of course, we have the Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump, $100, $70 off. Is an incredible deal at $170. It's 41, almost 42% off. The Bauer 5-amp 9-inch variable speed drywall sander, $120. Normally $170, $50 off, 29%. Honorable mention, almost 30%. Still big savings. Daytona Alert 3-ton low-profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $130, $70 off. Puts us at 35%, which is a great deal. Then we have the Predator 5,000 watts dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. Remote start CO secure, $800. Normally $1,100, $300 off. And that we will double check, 27. So honorable mention, but again, the Predator, even the Predator days don't go up to 30% off. They go up to 25%. So this is at 27, almost 28% off. Definitely a great deal. And those are the best deals. Don't forget the Viking 4-amp fully automatic processor, battery charger maintainer, instant savings. Try to stack it. Let me know if it works. And I will leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know for the new HARBROs, if you're watching this and you haven't seen this before. Let me know if this is helpful. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your